This is Jasmine Gaming, and today I'm going to be playing Skywars with my team. And you'll see when we play. I know he can't talk about this stuff, but yeah, let's just make it worth it on it. Sorry guys about that, I was just fixing my camera. Okay, let's go. Go. Look at the bomba. He's right there, I think. Let me see. No, I can't see him. This is... Say hi. Say hi. 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 And that's just me. He can't talk. Because we're not, like... So let's shoot some people. Alright, hold blocks. I'm scared. I think I could beat him up. See you guys when I'm a bye-bye.